Hello, this is the Varakala and this is my FAP project with Doc. So I have created that project in React and Tailwind CSS and Fast API, and Fast API is used in the backend and React obviously for the front end. But this project to that farmers upload the image of wheat and uploads on the website, and it will give the model that I have trained a CNN model using TensorFlow, and on the 13 disease class level disease, and uh, is collected from a Kaggle website. So the farmer uploads the image on the website, and it will give the disease type and treatment and the confidence score also. So this is the front end you are seeing. It is obviously I have toggle dark and light mode, and yes, this is the front end of the app. So before showing the prediction page, I will show you the what's the code look like, and I will explain that also. So this is the the React app code, and this is the testimonial component, and this is the navbar component. This is the navbar code, and that code is available on my GitHub also. I will give the link in the comments or description also. So I am planning to further extend it also, by enhancing that project. Like I will add dashboard in future that every user will sign up and will authenticated, and then he will be on board, and every user can have a separate dashboard where he or she can upload the images and also get his past the predictions also. So he will also be able to see that. So this is the future perspective that I want to take that project on. But currently this is current progress, and this is my fast API backend now. What that I have created two files, shooties.py and main.py. So what that it do, I have there is a weird disease model which I have trained a model in TensorFlow and saved in H5 format, and I also imported pillow to convert image into RGB and bytes also. So this is the class labels I use. These are the actual diseases which on the model is trained on. So mildew, mite, common root rot, and pretty much other diseases like brown rust and yellow rust also. So these are the treatments. I have created a Python dictionary in which when a model will check a program if the disease alpha, like the treatment will be shown that, and if the disease come like brown rust, this will the treatment that is shown to the user. And yeah, this is a function, pre-processing image function, that gets the image in bytes, and there here it will open the image bytes and convert it into the RGB, ensuring that it comes in the have three channels, mm, three color channels. And here it will resize the image in 255 cross 255, and here it will convert the image into numpy array, and then we will normalize it to 0 and 1. After that it will d- add bash dimensions like 1 comma 255 comma 255, like that stuff, dimension, and will return an image array. So this is the predict disease function. Okay, so the image in bytes will go there as a function will took, and as an argument, if I am not wrong, then it will pre-process the image, and then it will predict, and there it will return the confidence score and disease label and the treatment corresponding to that also. So that was the utils file, and here there are actually I have defined the routing. Here I have gave the React app local URL, localhost URL, and there there is a post request which will give by the user predict, and user will upload a image file, and I have added await, for in asynchronous functionality also is given, and it will convert into bytes, into image convert will be into bytes. So it will verify using pillow library that image are actually in bytes, and yeah, it will check that. After that it will call a predict disease function which was defined in utils file, and the image in bytes will be given to that. And if the image is other than user uploads, like not a wheat crop, then it will raise an error like not valid image is given. So let's come to the app. So get started. We talk, and let's say I let me just take a second, hold with me. Wheat crop disease, yes, and which okay, wheat backend. In the wheat backend I have uploaded that. I will predict. Okay, so this is actually the common root rot image which I give, and it produced the common root rot with confidence 99.96, and it gives a treatment improved drainage and crop rotation. And another, I will choose another image. Yeah, it will predict the aphid confidence 99.61, use insecticides, and they it said that use insecticides and other you know s- fertilizer stuff. So that was all about my project. I hope you like that, and I will share the updates if I have done in that further. Thank you.